Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the key battery in new generation Audis. It's quite easy to do. Let me show you. Let me put down the phone so you can see what I'm doing. This is the key. Obviously, first step, we have to remove the physical key from it. I think everybody knows how to do it. You press the two side buttons, you remove the key just like that, and then you have to remove this tray. And for this, you have to press the two side buttons once again the same way and just pull this middle section out. You have to pull quite hard to remove it actually, but then it comes out and this is how it looks. It is a little tray with the battery. It has this normal flat batteries. You can buy these in any grocery store. You just have to replace it and slide back to this. You also have to press the buttons when sliding it back, just like that, and put back the key in it, and you are all set. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.